jump. Pwede. Katarong pamatan eh. Yung nakijump sa white. Pero ganyan yung picture mo na nagpapatid sa King George. Diba? Parang gulong na ng buwan. Parang tinusad yan. Ayan!
Relax!
Wala.
Ay! Hindi na lang!
Kanta yun ah.
Virgin!
Virgin!
Luto pa ng pansit ng pansit! Yun!
Ayan!
Oh! Yun!
Joe!
Red, dribbling the ball. Red for three.
Yo!
Good. Fouled by Evan. Mark Evan.
Makita eh!
Amanda Musca. Good. Fouled by Grant. Red, dribbling the ball.
Wala pang score na. Running time. 20
Pass to
Pasok eh.
Yo!
Forbidden Hood. Fouled by Leah.
Nakahawak na rin!
Leah for three. Three points. Leah Salvador. Ram dribbling the ball. Guarded by Shem. Ram for two. Good. Rebound by John. Good. Ram for three. Three points. Ram. Ram Duta. Red.
Ay! Ayan!
By John.
Hindi mo yata pinakain si Red.
Evan.
Paano mamadali mo pala sa
Dribbling the ball. Pass to John. John passes the ball. Power play. 2 points. Here, dribbling the ball. Pass to Red. Red sumalasak. James Red for two.
Ay, sayang mo.
Ethan dribbling the ball. Pass to Ram. Ram for two. 2 points. Ram. That's Ram. Red.
Red, pasok sa loob!
Tied.
Huwag mo kamaingay!
Coach! Big father. Eh, kasi nasa labas eh.
Evan.
Dapat na
Handle Julian Musca. Kuya Edwin. Shannon. Pass to Red. Red dribbling the ball. Pass to Shannon. Shannon sumalaksak. 2 points. Shannon Pipito. Ram dribbling the ball. Ram pass to 150. And 2 points. Share. Red dribbling the ball. Pass to Share. Share for three. Arrow. Ethan dribbling the ball. Pass to Zia. Zia pass to John. John power play. Wow, look at Zia. Look at again. Pass to Ethan. Ethan. 2 points. Red dribbling the ball.
Nilipat ni Max.
Red sumalagsak. 2 points. Red. Mumula na yung kamay ng mga sa kakapapa. Ram dribbling the ball. Sumalagsak. Good. Down by John. Pass for Evan. Evan for 2. Good.
Sayang.
Bound by Kuya Edwin. Zia for 2. Good. Bound by John again. John pass to Ram. Ram sumalagsak. 2 points.
Lahat yan, kuya.
Okay.
Coach na ng parehas. Oo, sa parehas.
Kaya dito lang. Doon muna kayo. Dito muna pa. Kakalat ko. Wala nang no. Baka pa tayo ng 1 hour na. Pilitan na. Kaya ka naman namin. Sabi ko.
July 17.
Hey, rock and roll, baby.
Sabi ko, kaya 10,000 daw. Saan lang yung week nito? Kaya nga. Saan na pupunta ang sahod?
Bilis manuwagan nila.
Hindi kaya. Wala kami kaya. Ang mag-video niya. Tsaka likes niya. Tsaka ang goals.
Zabin. Red dribbling the ball. Out of bounds.
Kasi mano na isa na nga.
Save ball.
Ako eh. Kasi bibigat ang tao. 400 na ang panawagan ko.
To Red. Red. 2 points. Jude to Red.
Sound good. Ano na, kumusta na? Wala na siya.
Zia for 2.
Wala nang position doon eh. Talita ko ano na daw kaya.
Red dribbling the ball.
Sila lang ako. Sa bagay. Lagi ka naman ano.
Pass to Zach.
Yung mga
Zach.
time.
Line ball.
Wala naman ang pwede sa akin.
Dribbling the line.
Si Melissa ina.
Lilian dribbling the ball.
Yan.
Pass to Ethan. Ethan for 3. Look good. Lilian. Lilian for 3. Look good.
Napatanong niya kung gusto niya.
On by Red.
Hindi ka sabi ko meron pa ako paano
Red dribbling the ball. Red for 3. James Red for 3. Namumula na ang kamay niya. Zia. Needed. Look good. On by Zia. Zia look good again. Same ball. Zian with the ball. Angel for three. Air ball.
Ang lalakas yan itong mag-tripas ng mga batang to, no? Okay lang, bata naman sila. Ang maghahati, maghahati.
Zach dribbling the ball.
Ay, pasa na. Pasa! Pas, pas!
Pass to left. Left, sumasak na naman. Buta. Zach, sabi, no good. Hita. Pass to William. William. No good. Rebound by Zian. Zian lead for two. Zach, dribbling the ball.
Pas!
Zach, nothing. No good. Rebound by William. William pass to Zian. Wow, nice block by Will. That's swinging. Now we're swinging. Out.
Wala na pa silang game bukas.
Ay, ano, hindi ko alam. Sino kalaban nila, kuya? Pwede nung kalaban nila.
Bibili ako ng magnet dito. Makalikit na lang dito.
Reviewing from J-Boy. Back to the ball game. Last ball.
Excuse me po.
We're champions already. We're champions. This game's for fun.
Again, dribbling the ball. Pass to Gia. Gia is the ball. Foul. Vivian, foul. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Two hands. Left and the right. Zian, foul is out by Zian. Zian with the ball. Pass to Zian. Zian, pagaling na bata. Pass to Ram. Ram with two. Good. Ram by Ram again. Ethan. Ethan. 2 points. Ethan. Again, dribbling the ball. Pass to Zach. Same ball.
Shem!
Zach. Again. Pass to Zach for three. Now air ball. White ball. 4 minutes and 54 seconds remaining time for the first half. 2 points, Indiana. Jim Sibu. Foul, Zia. Red in. Starting her out. Happy birthday. Number 23 from Bohol. 3
Yo!
Wow! A burning was Ito. Zian Lim for 2. Shem dribbling the ball. Pass to Liam Salvador. Pass to Shem. Pass to Red sumalaksak. Good. Fouled by Ilan. Traveling violation without passport by Iman. Cebu ang bubuang. Pass to Red using the ball. Pass to Salvador from Bulacan. Lilian magaling sa bata, sumalaksak. No good, rebound by Zian. Rebound by Lilian again. Lilian, no good again. Zian, no good again. No good again. Lilian for 2. Shem dribbling the ball. Shem gustong sumalaksak. Nice block by Itan. Round pass to Itan. Ram sumaksak and play by Red. Red dahan bola pas mati. Yuna. Red. Isa bola sa mami na kita na. Ayun. James Red. From South here. Daddy and mommy is very happy right now. Kita good, rebound by Zian for 2. Lakas.
May future yan eh.
Red, dribbling ball. Red, gustong sumaksak at ang handa na kay Mamis.
Ay, wala. Go, Chef!
Arwang.
Wala na, panalo na sila.
Lilian, 33 seconds remaining time for the first half. Ram, passing Zian for 3. Good. Lilian, 18 seconds remaining time. Ram, sumayaw. Wow. Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2. No good.